आरम्भं करोतु महोदय।
महोदय। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। धन्यवाद महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय। अस्तु, any questions about class or the homework?
नमस्ते महोदय।
नमस्ते। अस्तु, प्रश्नाः न सन्ति चेत् अग्रे सरामः। तस्मात् पूर्वं एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति। Harsha Mahoday, now you have issues with your microphone. I won't bother you. Rita Mahoday, Sakaradeshah इत्युक्ते किं? विसर्गसन्धेः विषये।
सकारादेशः इत्युक्ते विसर्गात् पूर्वम् अच् आगच्छति, विसर्गात् परं क ख प फ विहाय अन्ये कर्कशस्वराः आगच्छन्ति, तदा विसर्गस्य स्थाने सकारः भवति।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। अन्ये राजश्री महोदय, क ख प फ विहाय अन्ये कर्कशव्यञ्जनानि कानि? अन्यानि कर्कशव्यञ्जनानि कानि?
क ख प फ
तेषां विहाय other than those, what are the other कर्कशव्यञ्जनानि?
च छ ज ज झ ट ठ।
अनन्तरं
थ थ। I'm sorry, actually, I didn't understand the question, Mahodaya. I couldn't hear properly.
Chinta nasti. What Rita Mahodaya said was, other than ka, kha, pa, pa, if the paravarna is a karkasha vyanjana, then sakara deshaha agachyati iti sa uktavati. Am पृष्टवान् ka, kha, pa, pa एतान् विहाय अन्ये कर्कशव्यञ्जनानि कानि? अन्यानि कर्कशव्यञ्जनानि कानि?
च छ ट ठ थ थ एतानि।
अवर्गीय व्यञ्जनानि अपि सन्ति किल?
श श स, sorry.
उत्तमम्। श श स, उत्तमम्। So we will make use of that today and look at something new. So we will use the Sakara Desha Sandhi today. So normally in English, if I want to say, I see somebody outside my window, somebody, because I don't know who that person is. So I'll say somebody. Shri Vidya Mahodaya, Prashna asti va?
You have some disturbance in the audio, Mahodaya.
Samyak na shruyate va?
No, you are, yes, it is not good.
You're not able to hear me, okay?
Yeah, it's not very clear, Mahodaya.
Some disturbance is there.
Let me take off my headset. Let's see. Idanim katham asti? Is this any better?
Yeah.
Astu. Dhanyavadah. Astu. So, in English, if I want to say, I see somebody outside the window. I don't know who that is. I see somebody. So we see somebody. And then I am eating something. I don't know what it is that I'm eating. I'm eating something. Somebody cooked something for me. I'm eating something. Or I'm going to the school with somebody. So I don't know who that person is. Some stranger came and sat in my car. So I'm going. Don't ask me why, but I'm just saying. So with somebody, by somebody, with something. So in all the vibhakti forms in English, of course, there are no vibhaktis in English, but whenever we want to specify something that is unknown, unspecified, unknown person, unknown thing, so we use somebody, something. So there is a similar concept in Sanskritam, and the way we get to talking about some unspecified thing is something called chit chana. So let me share my screen so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you all see my screen?
Mahoday.
So chit chana. So there are two sounds or shabdas that we add at the end of certain padas to give that uncertain feeling, uncertain meaning. So the way we do that, okay, before we go there, let's read this. Then it will become more clear. Srividya Mahoday, Bhavati Pathatu Krupaya.
Kim iti shabdaha prashnartakaha.
Spashtam kila, what it says?
Kim is the prashnavachakam.
Samyak.
Visheshanattvena upayogam. It's a special upayogam.
Special. Visheshana bhava.
Oh, that. Okay.
So Kim is a Visheshana.
Marge yaha gatavan saha kaha. That one who goes on the road, on the way. Who's that?
Who's that? So Saha Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Pullinga. So Kaha is same thing. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Pullinga. So this is just a revision, but this is important. Yetatapi Patatu.
Tat Kasyaha Bhaginyaha Pustakam. This one, which sister's book?
Vibhakti, ka vibhakti.
Kasyaha, it is for Prathama Vibhakti. Prathama Vibhakti is Bhagavachanam.
Why Prathama?
Kasyaha, okay. Okay, it is of book. So it is Shashti.
Shashti Bahuvachanam.
Shashti Bahuvachanam.
Uttamam. Strilingam. Uttamam. Uttamam. Kanchan Mahoday.
Mahoday. Vishishtam uttaram prapnartham. Means to get a specific answer to the question.
Etat padam krupaya punah pathatu.
Prapanartham.
Prapanartham. Halanta nasti, it's not prapnartham, prapanartham. Anantaram.
Marge yaha gatavan saha kaha saha divakaraha.
So what is it saying? What is it saying?
it is identifying the person who is going on the road.
So the question prashne saha kaha asti samadhane saha divakaraha iti samadhanam asti. Anantaram
तत् कस्याः भगिन्याः पुस्तकं तत् मम प्रथमायाः भगिन्याः पुस्तकं. Means it is giving the answer to the whose book is this. This book is my first sister's book.
उत्तमम्. एतत् कृपया पुनः पठतु.
तत्
तथा न तत् अत्र हलन्ता अस्ति.
तत् मम प्रथमायाः.
That is fine. So I know if you are coming from a Hindi mother tongue background, it becomes a little difficult because in Hindi, even though there is no halanta, we say prapnartham and all that. So just be careful. That's all. Astu. Parantu idanim pashyamah. Rita Mahoday etat pathatu कृपया.
किम शब्दस्य उचित विभक्ति युक्त रूपेण सह अन्ते चित् और चन योजनेन
चन न चना यत्र हलन्तः अस्ति तत्र एव
महोदय क्षम्यतां महोदय
चिन्ता
चन चन योजनेन
किं भवति
अनिश्चितार्थम्
अनिश्चितार्थः. So what is it saying here? वाक्यस्य अर्थः कः?
किम शब्दस्य उचित विभक्ति of which word using in the right vibhakti.
Not of which word. Kim ityasya shabdasya. It's missing ityasya.
Okay.
Kim ityasya.
Kim ityasya. Kim using kim word in uchit vibhakti.
At the end.
At the end using chit athva chan. So if it is anishitartham.
So atra pashyatu, when you are asking the question saha kaha kasyaha bhaginyaha nishchitartham asti samadhana. We know who is going, somebody called Divakara. We know particularly who it is. Whose book is this? We know whose book it is. Parantu, if you want to do Anishchitartham, somebody's book, he is somebody, I don't know who he is. Tada Anishchitartham bhavati. To get that, what it's saying is, we have to use the proper vibhakti form of kim with chit and chana at the end. So read this also.
Marge yah gatavan sah kah. Who goes in the road? He is who? Who is he? So the answer aham na janami. Kasyan kah plus chan. Purushah gatvan. Means aham na janami kasyan purushah gatvan.
Kaschana.
Kaschana purushah gatvan. Asmakam tu bandhu va mitram va nasti eva. Asmakam, neither our bandhu athva mitra.
So somebody, we don't know who he is. So in the previous case, we know who it is. Who is going on the road? Somebody called Divakara. We know who it is going. Parantu, if you want to get to, if you want to specify or if you want to say, I don't know who that person is, then kaschana purushaha. Kaschana. So the way we get to kaschana is kaha plus chana. So we are asking the question kaha, saha kaha, right? Saha kaha. So kaha is prathama vibhakti ekavachanam punlinga. So to get to the appropriate anishchitarthaka padam, we have to take the prathama vibhakti ekavachana punlinga form, which is of kaha, which is kaha, of kim, which is kaha, and then add either chit or chana. It doesn't matter, either chit or chana. So since we are looking for an answer in the prathama vibhakti ekavachanam punlinga, we are adding chana. It could be chit also, doesn't matter. Whatever we talk about for chana applies to chit, and whatever we talk about for chit applies to chana also. They are interchangeable, 100%. So we need to add the chana to kaha, because the samadhanam also expects prathama vibhakti ekavachanam punlinga. So kaha plus chana becomes kaschana. So if we don't know who's going on the road, we'll say kaschana purushaha gacchati or gatavan. Somebody, some male person. So we have studied this kaha plus chana. Can you say how this plus this equals this?
This is because of cha, cha, takara changing into shakara.
Uttam. So this is the sakara desha sandhi which we saw last time. So any ach plus visarga plus, if it is only sa, ta, tha or sakara, takara, thakara, then the adesha is sakara in place of visarga. But if it is shakara, chakara or chakara, it is again adesha is sakara, but because of chutvam, sakara becomes shakara. And if it is shakara, takara or thakara, adesha is again sakara, but because of shtutvam, it becomes shakara. So here it is cha, so it becomes shakara. Kaschana. Uttama. Clear so far? Next, Rajashri Mahode, Bhavati Patatu Yatat.
Aham na janami kaschit kaha plus chit kaschit purushaha gatavan asmakam tu bandhuhu va mitram va nasti eva.
So same thing, it's the same thing. It is showing that instead of chana, if you use chit, I mean you can use chit. That's all it is saying. Again, why is kaha plus chit, kaschit?
The same rule, Mother.
Same rule. Uttama. Etatapi pathatu krupaya.
Tat kasyaha bhaginyaha pustakam ham na janami kasyaschit kasyaha plus chit kasyaschit bhaginyaha asti va na va ityapi na janami kasyachit kasya plus chit purushasya api bhavitum arhati khalu.
Artha kaha?
Aham na janami means I don't know. Kasyachit bhaginyaha asti va na va ityapi na janami means some sisters, whether it is some sisters or not, that also I don't know.
Some sisters was kasyaha.
Yeah, kasyaha is shashti ekavachana.
So somebody's sister, of some sister.
Yeah, correct.
So the Prashna is asking Kasyaha Bhaginyaha Pustakam. Whose sister's book is this? It could be somebody's sister, where that somebody is a female. So Kasyaha Chit Pustakam. Kasyaha Bhaginyaha Pustakam. Some girl's sister's book. But in the question, we don't know Kasyaha bhaginyaha, whose sister? So it could be some girl's sister or boy's sister also, right? So that is what it is saying. Kasya, what is kasya?
Kasya is Pullingam Shashti.
Satya. So since we don't know whose sister's book it is, it could be some girl's sisters, in which case it becomes Kasyaha Chit, which is Kasya's Chit, or some boy's sister. Kasya plus Chit, Kasya Chit. Spashtam?
Astu.
So all it is saying is, when you know the answer, you give the answer. If you don't know the answer, and if you want to say somebody is with somebody, by somebody, in somebody, in something, on something, of something, we use the appropriate form of kim in the appropriate vibhakti linga vachana, and we add either chit or chana at the end of the appropriate kim form. And that is how we specify that uncertainty. That is all this is saying. Is this clear? Anybody have questions about this? Any doubts? Spashtam?
Mahodaya, only one thing, that Kasyaha Bhaginyaha, when we say, doesn't it specify it is a girl's sister? Kasyaha means it is a Strilingam.
But we don't know which girl's sister. Some girl's sister. So it is, so okay, probably this sentence we should have introduced later. So all this is saying is, whose sister's book, don't assume that sister is for a girl, it could be a boy's sister also. That's all it is saying.
Okay.
But we don't know who, whether which girl's sister or which boy's sister. Some unspecified girl or boy, that person's sister's book. That's all it is saying.
Okay.
Same thing, the last thing says, instead of chit, if we have chana, the meaning doesn't change. So you can use chit or chana interchangeably. So kasyaha plus chit, kasyash chit, same rule because of sakara desha, or kasyaha plus chana, kasyash chana. So what does anishchitartham mean? Let us look at that. Gayatri Mahoday, Krupya Patatu.
काचित् गच्छति अत्र
प्रश्नः नास्ति, काचित् गच्छति.
काचित् गच्छति अत्र का गच्छति इति निश्चयः नास्ति.
So what is it? What does it mean?
It is not sure who goes there.
So kachit gachati means some female is going.
Someone going.
Someone in Strilinga. Ka. Ka ke kaha. Remember kim shabda Strilinga? Kachit gachati. Etat api pathatu.
Kashchana abhinayati. Atra kaha abhinayati iti nishchayah nasti. That is in Pullinga.
That is in Pullinga. Kahachana, kaschana, abhinayati. So we don't know which Pullinga is acting. Uttama. Hina Mahoday. Hina Mahoday asti va?
Yeah. बालकः केनचित् सह क्रीडति अत्र केन सह क्रीडति इति निश्चयः नास्ति. So it is third vibhakti, tritiya vibhakti is used here. Yeah.
Which lingam?
Kenachit, it is Pullinga.
Pullinga. Which vachanam?
Ekvachanam.
So what is it? What does the sentence mean?
A sentence means balakah is playing with some boy, but which boy we don't know.
Uttama. With one unspecified boy or somebody in Pullinga. Uttama.
Yeah.
So if you see here, it is Strilinga Prathama Vibhakti. Here it is Pullinga Prathama Vibhakti. It is Pullinga Trutiya Vibhakti Ekavachana. So in all these situations, wherever you want to get to the unspecifiedness, you have to use the appropriate Linga Vachana Vibhakti form of Kim Shabda and add Chit or Chana at the end to make the proper sentence. So far, so good? Astu. Anantaram Vijay Meenan Mahodaya. Krupaya patatu.
Chit chana visheshanani. Kaschana kasya kasyashchita, sorry, kasyaschit kasyachana ityadayah iti plus adayah sarvepi visheshanattvena upayojyate. Okay. Atah te sarve visheshyasya lingam vachanam vibhaktim cha anusaranti.
So what is it trying to say?
We have to use the appropriate the vibhakti and this of the chitta and chana.
Why?
Visheshanatvena. Okay, it's the like an adjective for.
They are Visheshanas. They are Visheshanas. So whatever padam you attach the chit or chana form, kaschana, kasyaschit, kasyachana, they are all Visheshana. So the rule we remember from about Visheshana is
it will follow the Visheshyas linga vibhakti and vachana.
So the thing to remember is just like the Kim Shabda is a Visheshanam, Kim plus Chit or Kim plus Chana, that is how you get these different forms. What it is saying is all these forms are also Visheshanas. Just like Kim is a Visheshana, Kim plus Chit or Kim plus Chana is also a Visheshana, and that is why whatever Linga Vachana Vibhakti of these forms, they follow whatever the Linga Vachana Vibhakti of the Vishesha Padam are. Uttamam. So, Pathatu.
Kaschit balakah udyane kridati.
So, forget about Kaschit. So, Balakaha udyane kridati. Atra kaha kridati? Balakaha. So, Balakaha is what Linga Vachana Vibhakti?
Prathama Vibhakti Pulinga Ekavachana.
Satyam. Now, boy is playing. We don't know who it is. We want to say some boy is playing. And we are saying the Chit or Chana form has to be it's a Visheshana of this, whatever it is describing. So, we have to use the appropriate Linga Vachana Vibhakti form of the Kim plus Chit or Kim plus Chana. So, Balakaha, if it is Pullinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana, what is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pullinga of the Kim form?
Kim form will be Kaha.
Kaha. So, you have to choose Kaha, not anything else, because we are trying to give a Visheshanam for Balakaha. So, Kaha plus Chit or Kaha plus Chana, it will give you Kaschit or Kaschana. So, Kaschit Balakaha Udyane Kridati. Some boy is playing in the garden. Rohini Mahoday.
Kachit Mahila Tam
balakam pashyati.
So again, take out kachit. Mahila tam balakam pasyati. So what is mahila? Linga vachana vibhakti.
Mahila Strilinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana.
So what is the Strilinga Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana form of Kim?
Ka.
Ka. So ka plus chit or ka plus chana. It will become ka chit or ka chana. So read the whole thing.
Kachit Mahila Tam Balakam Pashyati.
So artha kaha?
Some woman is seeing the
That boy.
Balaka.
That boy. Whoever is
That
playing
boy,
in
yeah,
Udyana.
that boy, yes, that boy.
Etatapi pathatu, etatapi karotu.
Bhikshukaya.
So forget this. Annam dadatu. Bhikshukaya annam dadatu.
Annam dadatu.
What is the linga vachana vibhakti of annam?
Bhikshukaya. Annam Prathama Vibhakti. This Annam, this is Prathama Vibhakti Mahodaya.
Dvitiya bhavati.
Dvitiya. Okay. No, it will be. Dvitiya Vibhakti. No, it will be.
Vadatu ki hina mahodaya. Vadatu.
Bhikshukaya kinchit annam dadatu.
No, you were saying annam is prathama vibhakti. Why annam prathama vibhakti?
So it will be karta, no?
Who is karta here? We don't know who is the karta. You give annam to bhikshuka.
Yes,
we are not giving. Annam is not giving. We are giving annam.
We are giving annam. Yes, okay. That is Dvitiya. So somebody, so it is Adhyarutam.
We don't know who. We are not. We don't know who is asking. Satyam.
So Adhyarutam is there. So somebody is giving annam to bhikshuka.
Astu. Dhanyavadaha. So Rohini Mahoday.
I'm sorry.
Chinta nasti. No. Ask your doubts. No problem. So this is Napumsakalinga.
Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
So what is the Kim equivalent? Napumsakalinga Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam.
Kim ke kani, kim ke kahani.
So Kim plus chit or Kim plus chana. It will be Kimchit. Kimchit. So Bhikshukaya Kinchit annam dadatu.
Kinchit annam dadatu.
Artha kaha?
Give some food to the bhikshuka.
Some food. Which food? How much? It is not being specified. Some food. Uttama. Hemanti Mahoday.
Adya chit chan ityasya prayogasya kanichan udaharanani pashyamaha.
Atra chana kanichana chana halanta nasti. Astu.
Kanichana.
Chinta nasti. So remove kanichana. What is udaharanani?
Udaharanani napusaklingam. Udaharani pashyamaha. So pashyamaha. So dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachanam.
Uttamam. What is the equivalent in Kim?
Kani.
So
Kimke kani.
Uttamam. So kani plus chit or kani plus chana. So kani.
Kani chana.
So What is the sentence? What is the meaning?
Here, Chitachan. Okay, so we're going to look at some examples of Chit-chan prayogasya.
Of this Chit-chana. We are going to look at the
Chit-chana.
Adya is not here today.
Today, Adya is today, yes. Adya is today.
Etadapi karotu.
Aham kenachit balakena saha kridami.
Balakena.
Balakena is a balaka shabda, pullinga, ekvachana, trutiya vibhakti.
Ataha kim shabda?
Ataha kena, kena plus chit.
Or kena plus chana.
So, kena plus chana. So I am playing with some boy.
Uttama. So, etadapi pathatu.
Kim plus chit va kim plus chan. Dvayor madhye vedaha nasti. There is no difference between kim plus chit or kim plus chan.
Kim plus chit or kim plus chana.
Chana.
What is dvayor madhye?
Between two.
Katha.
Dvayoho madhye.
Dvayoho
madhye.
Why is it dvayoho?
Refadeshaha.
Refadesha. Uttama. So hopefully everybody is getting the pattern. Everybody is recognizing the pattern. It's easy. Once we get to the pattern, it's easy. So just as a revision, kim shabdasya pullinga rupani kaha kauke kam kaukan kena kabhyam kaihi kasmai kabhyam kebhyah kasmat kabhyam kebhyah kasya kayoho kesham kasmin kayoho keshu. Now let us see what happens when we add chit or chana to each of these forms. So Prashant Mahodaya. प्रशांत महोदय अस्ति वा? अस्तु, श्रीविद्या महोदय.
कः plus chit or chana is equal to kaschit or kaschana.
So how?
Sakaradesha.
Sakaradesha. So kaha plus chit or kaha plus chana will give you kaschit or kaschana.
Because it is cha, so you have sha. You should write sha.
Uttamam. So first visarga becomes sakara. Kaschit, because of chutvam, sakara becomes shakara. Kaschit or kaschana. So here also cha paravarnaha chakaraha asti, atrapi paravarnaha chakaraha asti. Uttamam. Atra
Kauchit.
Because kau plus chit or kau plus chana. Atra
Kechit kechana.
Kechit kechana. Anantaram
Kam plus chit or chana equal to kanchit. So,
we haven't studied this. Don't worry about it. It's one of the Vyanjana sandhis. Don't
kanchit,
worry.
kanchana.
So kam plus chit is kanchit. Or kam plus chana will become kanchana.
Kauchit, kauchana. Kan plus chit or chana is equal to kaschit. Again,
no, we haven't studied.
There's a.
It looks like that. It looks like that. But this is not a visarga. Remember, this is not a visarga.
Yeah. Kanschit. Kanchana.
So this and this are examples of Vyanjana Sandhi. We will study this next year. Just remember, kanchit, kanchana, kanschit, kanschanam. Harsha Mahode, bhavatyaha microphone karyam karoti va? Astu, Kanchan Mahode.
Kenachit, kenachana.
So there is no sandhi here. Kena plus chit or kena chana, kena plus chana will remain as kena chit, kena chana.
Kaphyam plus chit chana will be kapyam chit, kapyam chana.
So if you look at this makara plus chakara is become nya. Here also makara plus chakara is becoming nya. So just remember this. So what is this letter? Which varga does this belong to?
Cha cha jajanya.
Cha varga. Cha vargasya antimaha varna. So whenever you have a makara plus chakara, then because of a certain type of vyanjana sandhi, what happens is the antima varna of the cha varga is used in place of both. Ekadeshah bhavati. Kshamyatam, not ekadeshah. Makarasya sthane nyakarah bhavati. Kshamyatam. So same thing. Just remember that. But even if you don't remember the sandhi, remember the form. Kanchit kanchana, kabhyanchit kabhyanchana. Atra.
Kaihi plus chit chana. Kaischit kaischana.
Katham. Kimartham.
Visarga will become first sakara, then it will go to another this thing form as shakara. That's why refa sakara bhavati.
Sakara. Sakaradesha sandhi. Etat api patatu.
Mहोदय. Kasmai chit kasmai chana.
Tatra sandhi nasti.
Nasti. Samanam kaphyam. Kaphyam chit kaphyam chana. Atra kebhyah chit chana kebhyaschit. Atra api visargasya sakarah anantaram shakarah bhavati. Sakara sandhi asti.
Sakaradesha sandhi asti. Uttama. Etat api karotu.
Mहोदय. Kasma plus chit chana. Atra kasmat chit.
So here again there is one more vyanjana sandhi because of which the takara becomes chakara. So kasmat chit becomes kasmach chit or kasmach chana.
Kasmach chana. Kasmach.
So if you do kasmach chit or kasmach chana, it will be kasmachit kasmachana. Here we are only showing you the intermediate step. Final step is kasmachit kasmachana. So here also kabhyam chit kabhyam chana. Final form is kabhyam chit kabhyam chana. Etat api samanam asti. Etat api samanam. Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Rita Mahode, antimam dvayam karotu.
षष्ठी विभक्ति कस्य चित्त कस्य चन
अत्र सन्धिः नास्ति.
सन्धिः नास्ति.
अत्र
कयोः अत्र सन्धिः अस्ति महोदय. सकार कयोः चित् मेलनेन सकारः शकारः भवति.
उत्तमम्.
कयोश्चित् कयोश्चन.
अत्र केशाम प्लस चित्
मकारः तथा Chit, ch, chakara.
Makara plus chakara becomes yam.
Yam. So it becomes Keshan Chit. Keshan Chana. Saptami Vibhakti. Kasmin Shuchita. Kashmin Chit.
Atra pashyatu. Nakara plus chakara.
Ambade. Shaka.
Amsh.
Amsh. Kasmin Chit. Kashmin Chana. Then Kayo, the same. Keshu, Keshu Visarga Nasti Atra. Keshu Chit. Sandhi Nasti Mahode.
Sandhi nasti. Atrapi sandhi nasti.
Keshu Chana. Chana.
So wherever we have a visarga, we know it is sakara desha. Luckily for us, wherever there is a vyanjana sandhi, it follows only two patterns. One is makara plus chakara, it becomes nya. Otherwise, nakara plus chakara, it becomes sh. So here it takes that form, here also it takes that form. And this one in several places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So if you remember this one particular combination and this one particular combination, you can derive it, or you can by heart it, because we haven't studied Vyanjana Sandhis. So putting together, the whole thing becomes, can you read the whole thing, Rita Mohde?
Amade. Prathama Vibhakti. Kashit.
You don't have to read this column, just read the 9 forms.
Kashit Kashyana. Kauchit Kauchana. Ke. 1 second. I can't see this because some slide. I can see now. Kechit Kechana. Kashit. Kanchit Kanchana. Kauchit Kauchana. Kanchit Kanchana. Kenchit Kenachana. Kabhyanchit Kabhyanchana. Kaishchit Kaishchana. Kasmai Kasmaichit Kasmaichana. Kabhyanchit Kabhyanchana. Kebhyashchit Kebhyashchana. Kasmachit Kasmachana. Kabhyanchit Kabhyanchana. Kebhyashchit Kebhyashchana. Kasyachit Kasyachana. Kayoshchit Kayoshchana. Keshanchit Keshanchana. Kasminchit Kasminchana. Kayoshchit Kayoshchana. Keshuchit Keshuchana.
Uttamam, dhanyavada. Gayatri Mahode. Kaischit Kaischana, whichever. Arthaha kaha atra?
Kaischit Kaischana. Bahuvachanam. Pullinga. That is whoever. Whoever.
Whoever va trutiya vibhaktam asti.
Tritiya vibhakti. With whomever.
With or by whomever.
With
Many
whomever.
people. Etasya arthaha kaha?
Whosoever. With those two whosoever.
With two whosoever, of two whosoever. Uttamam. Uttamam. This one?
In whomever.
In whomever or on whomever.
On whomever.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Now, this is in Pullinga. As we know, in Napumsakalinga, except for Prathama and Vidya Vibhakti, where it is Kim Ke Kani, the Trutiya to Saptami forms are the same. Therefore, the Tritiya to Saptami forms of Chichana will also be the same. The only difference will be in Prathama and Dvitiya. So, Gayatri Mahode, etat karotu krupaya. How will this be? Kim Gayatri Mahode अस्ति वा? अस्तु. Hina Mahode?
Mahodaya. I didn't unmute it.
Chinta.
Chit kinchana.
How?
Makara.
Kim plus chit.
Kim plus chit. Plus chakara. Yakara. Then kechit. Kechana. Kanichit. Kanichana.
And same thing in Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Kinchit kinchana. Kechit kechana. Kanichit kanichana.
Uttama. Dhanyavada. Hina Mahode. Hina Mahode अस्ति वा? So in Strilinga, ka ke kaha, kam ke kaha, kaya kabhyam kabhihi, kasyai kabhyam kabhyah, etc. We know the form. So
it will be kachit or kachana. So no sandhi will be there. Kechit, kechana. Kachit. Kaschit, kaschana.
Because of
visarga.
Visarga.
Visarga, that shakara adesha will be, sakara adesha will be.
Sakara adesha.
Yeah. Then Dvitiya will be kanchit ya kanchana.
Because
makara will add to chakara, then niya will be formed. So kanchit
or kanchana.
Kachana.
These two are the same. We already talked about it.
Yeah. Third will be kayachit, kayachan. So no sandhi will be there.
Sandhi nasti.
So kabhyam, so makara again will join to chakara. Then that niya will be forming.
Uttama.
Yeah.
And then
kabhihi. So again here shakara.
Uttama. Uttama. So these will be the same. Kabhyah, same thing, same sandhi.
Yeah.
Atra sandhi nasti.
Nasti, yeah.
Panchami Shashtav.
Again visarga is there, then again sakara desha will be there.
Satya. So kasyaschit pathat.
Kasyaschit, kasyaschan.
So Shashti is the same.
Shashti, same, yeah.
Here
kayoho chit means kayoschit, kayoschan. Again sakara desha will be there. Again here kasam. So makara will again change to niya.
Yakara. Uttama.
So kasamchit or kasanchan.
Last line.
Again kasyam. Kasyamchit again. So then again makara and that niya will be formed.
Satyam.
Kasyachan. Yeah. Yeah. Again kasuchit, kasuchat.
Sandhi nasti.
Okay. Okay. Sandhi nasti. Yeah.
Spashtam.
Yeah.
Anybody have any doubts? Is this clear? Abhyasam kurmah. So here we have to look at each word's linga vachana vibhakti and use the appropriate chichana form. Vijay Menon Mahodaya. मनुष्याः
Manushyaha. So we have to, what do we have to do? Get the
what is vivaranam kim manushyaha ityasya lingavachana vibhakti? What is the lingavachana vibhakti?
Manushyaha. Maybe Bahuvachana Strilinga, Manushyaha, no.
Manushyah, manushyo, manushyaha. Purushaha, purusho, purushaah.
Okay. So Pullinga Bahuvachana.
Vibhakti.
Pratama Vibhakti.
So you have to find the equivalent of chichana for lingavachana vibhakti matching this.
Okay, so this will be K. No? So Kechana.
Tamam.
Or Chit. Kechit. Kechit or Kechana.
Kechit, kechana. Dvitiyam karotu.
Vidyalayah. Okay, this is simple. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pullinga. Correct. Okay. Vidyalayah. So it will be Kaha. So Kaha plus Chana. So Visarga with the Cha will become Sha. Kaschana. Kaschana or Kaha plus Chit. So Kaha plus Chit. So again, Visarga, this Kish, Kaschit.
Kaschit or kaschana.
Kaschit or kaschana.
Look at the pattern here. If you know the form for chit, the same form will be for chana. So you don't have to struggle. Kaschit or kaschana. Kauchit or kauchana. Kanschit or kanschana. So if you know one, the other is the same.
Okay.
Instead of chit, do chana. That's all. Katha.
Have to do?
Do.
Katha looks like Strilinga Ekavachana. Strilinga Ekavachana. So
Vibhakti also. Three things you have.
Okay, yeah. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Strilinga. So it will be Ka plus Chit. So Ka plus Chit. Kachit. Kachit or Kachana.
Uttama. Dhanyavadah. Rohini Mahoday.
Girim. Ditya Vibhakti Ekavachana.
Lingam. Pullinga.
Okay. So it will be Kim.
Kaha kauke.
Kanchit or Kanchana.
Kanchit, kanchana. Kanchit, kanchana. Anantaram.
Denave.
Dhenu.
Denave is Dvitiya Vibhakti. I don't remember Mohade.
Chaturthi Ekavachana.
Chaturthi Ekavachana. चतुर्थी एकवचनं
which lingam? Dhenu.
महोदय
No, lingam, Kshama. Lingam.
लिङ्गं स्त्रीलिङ्गं
So strilinga chaturthi ekvachanam.
स्त्रीलिङ्गं कस्य कस्यचित् कस्यचित्
Kasyai.
कस्यैचन
Kasyaichit, Kasyaichan. Anantaram.
तरौ
Taruhu iti ukaranta pullinga shabdah. Guruvat.
गुरवः गुरौ सप्तमी
Saptami ekavachanam.
एकवचनं सो कस्मिंश्चित् कस्मिंश्चित् कस्मिंश्चन
Kasminchit na
कस्मिंश्चित् कस्मिंश्चन
kasminchit
कस्मिंश्चित्
Anantaram.
श्लोकान् द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं श्लोक
Lingam. Ramam, Ramau, Raman.
yes लिङ्गं पुल्लिङ्गं पुल्लिङ्गं
Ataha.
काञ्चित् काञ्चन
Kanschit, Kanschana shlokan. Kanschit shlokan, Kanschana shlokan. Uttama. Dhanyavadah. Hemanti Namo.
पाणिना is it पाणी शब्द
Satyam. Pani shabda.
पाणी शब्द so that's पाणी शब्द so that is
Hari
Tritiya
shabda.
Tritiya vibhakti ekvachanam pullinga. Okay, so kena. So panina, so kenachit or kenachana.
Kenachit panina, kenachana panina.
Chit panina.
Artha kaha?
Panina, pani is I think hand. And so with hand.
With hand va? Panina is that. What is the full meaning of the whole thing? Kenachit, kenachana panina.
Oh, I see. Okay. So with some hand?
With some hand, by some hand.
Well, or by some hand. Okay, with some hand, by some hand.
Anantaram.
Sadhunam. Ukarant pullinga shashti vibhakti bahuvachanam.
Uttam.
And so it will be kesham. So kesham chit or keshanchan sadhunam.
Artha kaha?
Of some sadhus.
Kesham va? Kasya kayoho?
Kesham.
Keshanchit, keshanchana.
Keshanchit. Okay, keshanchit. Okay.
Anantaram.
Droni pihi.
Throni, Nadi. Still, Throni Shabda, Strilinga, Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam.
Uttam.
So, Kaya, Kabhyam, Kabhihi. So, Kabi plus Chit. So, Kabhihi plus Chit. So, Kabis Chit. Or Kabhischana. So, with some buckets or by some buckets.
Uttamam. Anantaram.
Mataram. Mataram. So that's Matru Shabda. Matru Shabda. Tvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Strilinga. So Kam. So Kamschit. Kanschit. Kanschana.
Kanchit. Kanchit na. Kanchit.
Kanchit. Kanchana. Kanchit. Kanchana.
So Kam, right? Ekavachanam. Kam.
Ma plus cha. Okay.
Makara plus chakara will be nya. Kanchit.
Yeah. Kanchit. Kanchana.
So Kanchit Mataram, Kanchana Mataram. Artha kaha?
To some mother.
Satya.
Yeah.
Sri Vidya Mahode.
Mahilaha. Mahila Shabda, Strilinga, Bahuvachanam. So, Kaha, Kanchit, Mahilaha, Kanchana Mahilaha. Any, some ladies and or some Patashala. Again, Strilingam, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Kachit Patasala, Kachana Patasala.
Artha kaha?
Any with any school.
Wait, why with Prathama Vibhakti?
Prathama Vibhakti. Just
Kachit Patashala.
Or Kachit Patasala, any school.
Any na, some.
Or some school.
Not any. We will study the form for any in a future class. This is all some.
Some
unspecified.
Some school.
Some school. Asta, Uttama. So there are a lot more. Take this up for homework. We will do the next exercise where we will apply this in Vakyani. Shri Vidya. Kanchan Mahode.
Amode. Bhavan kim patrikam patati.
So what you have to do is, first of all, in the sentence, you have to find the appropriate form of kim. And then in the answer, so this is the question. And in the answer, you have to use the chichana and give an answer.
Amode. Bhavan Kashchana.
No. First, ask the question. Which patrika you are reading? So how will you ask the question?
Okay. Kanchana patrikam patati.
No. I'll explain. So Bhavan, forget about chichana.
Okay.
If you are asking what patrika you are reading, how will you ask the question? Forget chichana.
Okay. Kim patrikam.
Patrika is what?
Patrika is Strilinga.
So patrikam is?
Patrikam Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Ekavachanam. So what is the kim?
Kim Patrikam Patati.
One second. Kim patrikam bhavati va? Why kim?
Kam Patrikam Patati. Kam Patrikam Patati.
Kam patrikam. So bhavan kam patrikam pathati. So that itself will give you the clue for the answer. So I am reading. So bhavan. So use the kam equivalent and answer in Chichana.
Okay. Bhavan Kaschana Patrikam Patati. Kaschana. And Kaschit Patrikam Patati.
So, okay, you can do it that way also. Or the way you, I was expecting was Bhavan Kam Patrikam Pathati. Because now we are revising the Kim equivalent, because this is also Visheshanam. Patrika Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam. So Bhavan Kam Patrikam Pathati. Aham Kanschit Patrikam Pathami. Kanchana Patrikam Pathami.
Astu Mone. Idanim Jnatavati.
So do the second one.
Petikayam kim kridanakani santi. Kridanakani santi.
Dana da.
Kridanakani santi.
So
Petikayam kim Kim will be
this is the Visheshanam for this. So what is the appropriate form of Kim?
Kim Kani. Petikayam Kani Kridanakani santi.
So Anischitartaka Samadhanam.
Petikayam
so Kani, so you have to do the Kani in Chittarchana.
Kanichit. Kanchit Kridaka.
Just tell me the Vadati.
Petikayam Kanichit Krida.
Forget about the other things, they don't matter. Kanichit, Kanichana. Forget about. Our focus is on the Chitchana.
Kim etat karo.
Karotu.
Astu Mode. Kim taroho amraphalani patanti. Kim taroho panchami vibhakti. Taroho is Pullinga.
Taruhu, taru, taravaha, ukaranta.
Ukaranta Pullinga Panchami Vibhakti.
Panchami astu or Shashti, either one is fine.
Okay, because Patanti tatra from.
From which tree or of which tree? Both. Which tree Samraphalani or from which tree? Both are correct. Panchami or Shashti. So what is the Kim equivalent of Panchami or Shashti? Pullinga.
Panchami or Shashti is Kasya. Kasya is Shashti Vibhakti.
So if you take Shashti Vibhakti.
Kasyachit, Kasyachit, Kasmaichit.
Kasmaichit or no, Kasmachit or Kasyachit.
Kasmachit or Kasmaichana.
Kasmai Chaturthi Bhavati. Here it's either
Kasmachit or Kasmachan.
or Kasyachit.
और कस्यचन।
वै कस्यै कस्यचन
कस्यचन कस्यचन कस्यचित्। True. Have to do a lot of homework to memorize it.
अस्तु राजश्री महोदय।
बालकः किं मित्राय पुस्तकं ददाति? बालकः कस्मै मित्राय पुस्तकं ददाति? बालकः कस्मैचित् मित्राय पुस्तकं ददाति।
उत्तमम्। और कस्मैचन।
कस्मैचन। अध्यापकः किं छात्रेषु न
This should be स्निह्यति।
स्निह्यति। सप्तमी अध्यापकः कस्मिन् छात्रेषु न स्निह्यति?
न बहुवचनम् अस्ति।
केषु छात्रेषु न स्निह्यति? अध्यापकः केषुचित् छात्रेषु और केषुचन छात्रेषु न स्निह्यति।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्।
वयं किं गुरूणाम् उपदेशं शृण्मः?
द्वयोः both are correct. शृणुमः और शृण्मः both are correct.
वयं this is षष्ठी बहुवचनम्। कस्य कयोः केषां गुरूणाम् उपदेशं शृण्मः? केषाञ्चित् गुरूणाम् उपदेशं शृण्मः और केषाञ्चन।
उत्तमम्। एतदपि करोतु।
मुनिः किं मार्गेण गच्छति? मुनिः केन मार्गेण गच्छति? केनचित् और केनचन मार्गेण गच्छति।
उत्तमम्। एतदपि करोतु।
किं पत्रिकायाः नाम विकटन् अस्ति? पत्रिकायाः कस्याः पत्रिकायाः नाम विकटन् अस्ति? कस्याञ्चित् पत्रिकायाः कस्याञ्चन पत्रिकायाः नाम विकटन् अस्ति।
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।
रीटा महोदय।
सा किं बालिकाभ्यः मधुरं ददाति? बालिकाभ्यः केभ्यः सा काभ्यः सा काभ्यः बालिकाभ्यः मधुरं ददाति? काभ्यः प्लस चित् काभ्यश्चित्
काभ्यश्चित् बालिकाभ्यः
मधुरं ददाति अथवा काभ्याश्चन बालिकाभ्यः मधुरं ददाति।
वै काभ्याश्चित् और काभ्यश्चन।
काभ्यश्चित् काभ्यश्चन।
अर्थः कः? what is the meaning?
For whom she is giving the sweets. For somebody she is giving the sweets.
Uttam. For somebody, many.
Yeah.
Many females. Strilinge.
Grishma. Shall I continue?
Please.
Grishma kale vapishu kim vapishu jalam na bhavati.
Vapi is sarovara, pond.
Vapishu. Vapi. Mohoday, it's Strilinga. Vapishu. Pullinga.
Vapi.
Keshu. Vapishu. Jalam na bhavati. Keshu. Keshuchit. केषुचित् वापिषु जलं न भवति केषुचन
केषुचित् और केषुचन। उत्तमम्। अनन्तरं
उद्यानपालः किं तरुभ्यः जलं यच्छति? उद्यानपालः तरुभ्यः पंचमी बहुवचनम् अस्ति।
पंचमी वा?
From which?
Taru. What is taru?
Taru is a tree.
Yachati. Yachati.
For महोदय for चतुर्थी विभक्ति बहुवचनम्।
यच्छति इत्यस्य अर्थः कः?
gives.
संस्कृते
ददाति।
ददाति।
चतुर्थी बहुवचनम् के केभ्यः केभ्यः केभ्यश्चित् केभ्यश्चन।
उत्तमम्। एतदपि करोतु।
अम्बा किं पात्रेषु जलं पूरयति? पात्रेषु सप्तमी बहुवचनं किं कस्मिन् केषु केषु पात्रेषु जलं पूरयति? केषुचित् पात्रेषु जलं पूरयति, केषुचन पात्रेषु जलं पूरयति।
उत्तमम्। हेमन्ती महोदय।
किं पाठशालाः इदानीं कीलिताः सन्ति? I don't know what कीलिताः.
Closed.
I'm sorry?
Closed.
Okay, I see. Pathshalaha, that is Strilinga Akaranta Bahuvachanam. So, Kaha. So,
first do the question.
Kaschit.
First do the question.
Kim Pathshala. So, Kaha. Kaha Pathshalaha. Idani Kilitaha Santi.
So what is the meaning of that?
Kaha Pathshalaha. So which schools are closed today?
Samadhanam dadato anishitarthaka rupe.
So Kim so Kaha Pathshalaha. So Kaha Chit. So Kaschit Pathshalaha Idani Kilitaha Santi.
Just
or
Kaschit or
Kaschan.
Kaschana Pathshalaha. Anantaram.
Raja Kim Sachivaihi Saha Mantralochanam Karoti. Sachivaihi. Trutya Vibhakti Pullinga Bahuvachanam. So Kena Kabyam Kaihi. So Kaihi plus Chitta. So Kaischita.
First do the question. Raja Kaihi Sachivaihi Saha.
Sachivaihi Saha Mantralochanam Karoti. So Raja Kaischit Sachivaihi Saha Mantralochanam Karoti. Or Kaischana.
Kaischit or Kaischana. Kaischit Sachivaihi, Kaischana Sachivaihi. Etatapi karotu.
Kim Chhatrabihi Saha Adhyapika Pravasam Gachati. Chhatrabihi is also
typo asti Chhatrabihi.
Chhatrabihi. Trutya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam Strilinga. Kabihi Chhatrabihi Saha Adhyapika Pravasam Gachati. Kabihi plus chit or kabihi plus chan. So kabischit or kabischan.
Kabischit Chhatrabihi, Kabischana Chhatrabihi. Uttama. Harsha Mahodaya, is your microphone working now?
Mahodaya.
Karotu.
Mata kim churikaya shakam kartayati. Churikaya strilinga ekavachanam तृतीया विभक्ति. So किम is kaya. माता कया छुरिकया शाकां कर्तयति. कया कयाचित् छुरिकया और कयाचन छुरिकया. So माता
कयाचित् छुरिकया और कयाचन छुरिकया. उत्तमम्. अनन्तरं
कर्म करी किं पात्राणि प्रक्षालयति. पात्राणि is a नपुंसकलिंगम बहुवचनम. कर्म करी कानि पात्राणि प्रक्षालयति. So कर्म करी कानिचित् और कानिचन पात्राणि प्रक्षालयति.
उत्तमम्.
धन्यवाद.
एतदपि करोतु. One more. You didn't have many chances today.
सा किम् अंगुल्या पुत्रं तर्जयति. अंगुली is a स्त्रीलिंग. तृतीया विभक्ति एक वचन. So सा कया अंगुल्या पुत्रं तर्जयति. सा कयाचित् अंगुल्या और कयाचन अंगुल्या.
उत्तमम्. उत्तमम्. धन्यवादः. रोहिणी महोदय.
बालिकाः किं शिलाकण्ठैः क्रीडन्ति. तृतीया शिलाकण्ठैः तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं. तो बालिकाः कैः शिलाकण्ठैः क्रीडन्ति. बालिकाः कैश्चित् कैचन जलकण्ठैः क्रीडन्ति.
कैश्चित् शिलाखण्डैः और कैश्चन शिलाखण्डैः. उत्तमम्. अनन्तरम् अन्तिमं करोतु.
शिल्पी किं शिलया विग्रहं निर्माति. शिलया तृतीया विभक्ति स्त्रीलिंग. तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनं. So शिल्पी कया शिलया विग्रहं निर्माति. शिल्पी कयाचित् कयाचन शिलया विग्रहं निर्माति.
उत्तमं. कयाचित् शिलया कयाचन शिलया. उत्तमम्. अस्तु. Hopefully this was clear. Anybody have any doubts or questions, please ask. स्पष्टं वा? प्रश्नाः न सन्ति वा? सन्देहाः न सन्ति वा? अस्तु. So who did the shlokas? काञ्चन महोदय मङ्गलश्लोकं करोतु महोदय.
महोदय.
सर्वे कृपया म्यूट् मध्ये भवन्तु.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु. मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम तत्सत्.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः. पुनर्मिलामः.
धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः. नमस्ते.